Hey guys, it's Kay. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a wig from OMGHerHair. Sorry you guys, that was not your phone, so don't check your phone. It was mine. But this is what the packaging looks like. And might I just say that I've been working with this company for a couple years now. And the quality of the wigs just get better. So I can appreciate this from this company. Like, they have come a long way. Their wigs have always been bomb, but it's like extra bomb. So they sent me over this 13x6 a lace front wig. And here is the construction. The knots are bleached in the hairline. It's pre-plucked. This is a HD lace wig, and I believe this is 20 inches. Everything as far as the details to this wig and links to this wig will be listed below in the description box. But y'all see how this looks. Now, I just did a video on a similar Yaki texture wig that was a lace front that had like a lot of lace space. I think that video is already out. But if you're wondering which wig I like out of the two, it would be this one, you guys. This one, just the density and the lace is just so much better. Now, me personally, I don't like thick hair where the lace is. I don't know. To me, it's just harder to work with, harder to like get your wig laid. I just like I don't know. I don't like my density too heavy where the lace is. But anyway, I love, love, love the quality of the hair. The Yaki texture is not too Yaki, and it's like so like silky at the same time. It's like silky Yaki. I don't know. It's really nice, y'all. I'm definitely feeling the hairline on this. Y'all can see as I apply it, and I am using my got2b. Y'all, look at that. It's giving scalp. So, yeah, I don't really do too much as far as styling with this wig just because I want you to really, like, get into this hairline. So I just straighten it and put my headband on and call it a day. I would say the quality of this hair is for sure A1, you guys. And as you can see, it was really nothing to apply this wig. You don't have to go through the extra steps as far as bleaching the knots or plucking the hairline, because basically it's already done for you, okay? Now, because I wanted to show off the hairline, I didn't really do like baby hair or anything like that. I did cut some baby hair into this wig, but I wanted to go for that like wispy look, wispy edges that kind of looks real. I don't know, but it was giving real edges, and I can appreciate that very much, you guys. So you guys let me know what you think, and if you are interested in this wig, check the description box down below. Y'all know Black Friday, Cyber Monday is coming up, so make sure y'all catch them discount codes and everything that they offering for money off, girl. So yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoy. Happy holidays. I hope you guys enjoyed your Thanksgiving, because I do believe I'm gonna put this video out on Monday, so that's after Thanksgiving. But yeah, love you guys.